Welcome to All American Trailers. The Magnum 10K equipment hauler with slide-out ramps and tonguebox is a heavy-duty trailer designed to transport a variety of equipment and machinery with ease with a gross vehicle weight rating GVWR of 9,900 pounds. This trailer can handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. The 200-pound EZ Lube axles with electric brakes provide smooth and reliable braking power, while the 5-inch channel main frame and full wrap tongue provide added strength and durability. The trailer features 3-inch channel cross members, heavy-duty steel fabricated fenders with ATP protectors, and bracing on the fenders for extra support. The 2-foot steel dovetail and solid bump rail make loading and unloading equipment a breeze, while the lockable tongue box provides secure storage for tools and accessories. The 12K setback drop leg jack allows for easy hitching and unhitching, while the 5-foot heavy-duty slide-in ramps provide a smooth transition for loading equipment. Other features of the Magnum 10K equipment hauler include pressure-treated wood flooring, stake pockets, HDD rings, a breakaway system, sealed modular wiring harness, LED lights, ST225/75R15 radial tires, 6 lug silver steel wheels, and a 2 to 5 16-inch adjustable coupler. The trailer is steel grip blasted, degreased, phosphatized, hot water pressure washed, and sealed for long-lasting durability. Dealer handling is included in the price of the trailer, and all deposits are non-refundable whether you're hauling construction equipment, landscaping supplies, or recreational vehicles. The Magnum 10K equipment hauler is up to the task. Thanks for watching.